Hi, I'm Mang Egay. Are you ready now for our interaction? Yes, I have here now stainless tools. I hope you can have the knowledge of having stainless tools. Stainless tool is have many characteristics. Aside from being rust-proof, hygienic, it is clean and it is stay long. It's glossy and shiny in appearance, and I hope it's easy to fabricate for you. Now here I have a tools which is used in lot machine operation. I have here also measuring tools. You see, and this one is a hacksaw. Its appearance, you can see the appearance. It's glossy, small Phillips screw, and this one is Phillips screwdriver. You can hammer it here, and it's still shiny, although it's been a long time tools for me. And of course the hammer made of stainless steel. Stainless steel is quite good, and the weight, I'm using this as a weight. So that's all. Thank you very much. I hope you like my new video.